welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. So I know I'm late, but I thought I would still come on and share with you guys my September and October empties for 2021. So I'm going to separate them. I wanted to do two separate videos, but because I'm late, I'm not going to do that. But I'm going to separate all the non-Dollar Tree items and then the Dollar Tree items and give my short reviews and thoughts on the products that way. So let's just go ahead and get started because it's always a lot. Put the non-Dollar Tree things first and then we'll go from there. Okay, so the first thing that I finished up myself was this Dove Go Fresh Moisturizing Cream 48-hour antiperspirant spray. I shared with you guys before that I love the spray deodorants more than I do the rub-ons because I find the rub-ons are hard to get off even when you shower. This is in the pear and aloe scent, and I did enjoy this very much. I picked this up, I think, from Ross, and it was like $4.99, maybe $3.99, so not too bad. I have already repurchased this, and I will continue in different scents. I always get a different scent, but I will continue to repurchase this because I absolutely love it. Them is the Bath & Body Welly Happy Blue Ocean Waves Foaming Body Wash right there. This one consisted of creamy sandalwood, salty ocean breeze, and lemon zest. And I loved this scent. This was one I got on clearance at the store. I picked up two. I haven't used the other one yet, but it does smell really, really good. I really did enjoy it. This is the Finesse conditioner. I got this from Influenster, as you guys know, some time back. And this was the Hair Reviving Boost with Omegas. I have the shampoo, I think, in here too, but it might be in the bottom. I don't want to grab it yet. But I did finish this up. I absolutely loved the way my hair felt and the way it smelled. I would consider repurchasing the Finesse product. Is the Dove Body Wash Mousse with Argan Oil right there. This was really nice and enjoyable. So yes, I would repurchase. The scent wasn't my absolute favorite, but it was just a soft scent. And this is great for shaving. It does say right there on the packaging. I did find that it's great like a shaving mousse. You just put it on, and for shaving it really did help. So I did enjoy that. This is the Yes to Tea Tree Scalp Relief for dry, itchy scalp, soothing scalp treatment with a tea tree, apple cider vinegar, witch hazel, and sage oil. And this is actually something I used on my son, and I did like the way that it worked. I do believe that it helped with the dryness of his hair. It helped with the itching, and it minimized all of that. So I would repurchase that for him. This is the Vanilla Pumpkin Scented Hand Wash, and I got this at TJ Maxx for $3.99, and it smelled amazing. This is in a 16.5 fluid ounce. Yes, I would definitely repurchase if I can find it again. This is the fragrance-free cleansing wash for, compared to Summer's Eve from Up and Up from Target. I had this in my collection, and I did use it up. I really did enjoy it and would repurchase. I think it's like $2 and some change, which is pretty decent because it's a 15 fluid ounce at Target. But I do get the one that I usually share with you guys. That's $1 at Dollar Tree, and I do really like that one. I feel like it's very comparable, but is just $1, and I think it's like an 8 fluid ounce, somewhere around there. If they ever, when I go to Dollar Tree and they run out, I will typically go to Target and pick up that one because it's only $2 and you get 15 ounces, which is still a great buy in my opinion, but I really did enjoy that. This is a Sunday Riley Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. I absolutely loved this cream. I think I got it in a BoxyCharm or something. It smelled like oranges, but it just made my skin feel so good, so hydrated. I would definitely repurchase this product for sure. These are the invisible acne patch that I got from Shop Miss A's website. These are the AOA Studio. It came with 15 patches, and they were the 10 millimeter, and these were okay. I find that the Dollar Tree ones work a little better in my opinion. I wake up with those. They are the same price, so either one that I decide is not bad, but I do feel like this one you have to put on a few more extra nights than you do the Dollar Tree one. So I would consider repurchasing them because they weren't bad. They did stick better than the Dollar Tree ones. Like I'd wake up in the morning, it would still be there. The Dollar Tree ones, sometimes I wake up in the morning and it's like a scavenger hunt because it's no longer on my face. But I did really like them and I would repurchase them. This is the Wellforia Nourishing Conditioner. I got this in a Influenster and I did really enjoy this. My husband loved this so much. Now the smell, I absolutely love. It just has this unique scent. I can't even explain it, but it did smell very, very nice. It does say that it has CBD, 50 ppm, and hemp seed oil, whatever that means. But we did enjoy this and we would repurchase it. We did see a difference in the textures of our hair and the softness. This is the Thayer's Facial Toner, with witch hazel, rose petal. I really love this. I would repurchase it. I kind of want to try the orange scent or the lavender, but love this. This is the Nivea Nourishing Body Wash, and we love this as well. We would definitely repurchase it. Here's another one right there. Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. I got this, I think, in a Walmart box or an Allure box sometime back, and I really, really enjoyed this. I did save it to my Ulta cart because I really liked it, and I would repurchase the full size of it. It just made my skin feel really clean, really refreshed, and also not drying. So I like that. This was my husband's. This is a Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Daily Scrub Oil Free. He enjoys this. We get these at TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, one of those stores, wherever we can find it, for $2.99 or $3.99. He really likes it. I constantly repurchase those for him. This is the Biro, I believe, Bitter Green Essence Toner. You guys remember I was using this. I got this from a BoxyCharm. I really did enjoy this. I liked the scent of it. It was really refreshing, really pleasant, nothing strong. I just feel like it was not hydrating enough for my skin. I want a toner that after I do the toning, I don't feel tightness on my skin, and I feel like this did that. I'm glad I got it to try it, and it was nice, but I would not repurchase it. This is one of my husband's Bath & Body colognes. This is not from one of the recent hauls. This was the previous one he had for many years. This is in a 3.4 fluid ounce, and it's in suede, and he did finish it up. And of course, you guys know he loves these. This scent is so nice. It's just so manly, but it's like woodsy at the same time. But yeah, he finally finished one of them up from his older collection. This is another Bath & Body foaming hand wash in a eucalyptus and spearmint. We love this. Already repurchased it. Shampoo to that Wellforia conditioner that I showed you guys. We really do like this. We would consider repurchasing it in the full size. Again, I got these from Influenster, and I am really glad I did because I liked it, and so did my husband. This is the Afrin No Drip Extra Moisturizing Nasal Spray. We were using this quite a bit because we had stuffy noses, and this works perfectly. This works great if you have a stuffy nose. This is one of the best things to use, is a nasal spray. Already repurchased that. This is the Everspring from Target Geranium and Herbs Room Spray. And that is what it looks like. Already repurchased. Love this. It's just a room deodorizer, like air freshener, but in this kind of format. Already repurchased. Love that. This was a sample of body wash that I got from Yardley. I believe this was from a Walmart box. I did enjoy it. It was really hydrating and felt nice on the skin. This is my husband's Irish Spring body wash. He got this when he goes out of town for work, and he did use it up in the original. He loves this, as I told you guys before. Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I had this for so many years. I had bought it in a mini to try it out, and I absolutely loved it. I finally got around to using it. I told myself I needed to, but I love this. I would definitely repurchase that. That's like one of my top 5 favorite facial sprays. It was so hydrating, so refreshing. It just felt amazing. This is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. However, it didn't feel like a face oil. I got this in a BoxyCharm. It's more like a primer. It has more like a gel feel to it. Okay, well, there it is there. I loved it. I don't know that I would repurchase it. It was really nice. I'm glad I had it, but I don't think that I would repurchase it. This is the RCO Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion. It's a sample. I don't know where the other end is, but that is what that looks like, and I really did enjoy this. It was nice. I don't know that I would repurchase it, but it was nice. Okay, this was a sample I got as well. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. I absolutely loved this product. I've already repurchased it to have on hand in the full size because I loved it that much. I feel like it made definitely a difference in my skin. So there's that. Okay, a few more things that are not Dollar Tree, then we'll quickly go through the Dollar Tree ones. There's not a ton. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Moisturizer right there. I've had this for years. I think it was probably something I got in a Sephora, but I finally used it, and it was nice moisturizing, but I wouldn't repurchase it. This is the L'Occitane Immortal Eye Cream. Right there. I've had this sample for years as well, and it was very, very nice. Don't know that I would repurchase it. I didn't have enough product to use to know that I fell in love with it. This is the Ralph Lauren Romance. I liked this smell, just a little sample. It was nice. It's not going to focus, but there it is. This is my Wet n Wild brow pencil, and there it is there. There is a little bit there, but I cannot use it or sharpen it anymore because of the metal right here. So I just figured I'd be done with it. It was nice. I did enjoy it, and I would repurchase it. This is the Smashbox Always Sharp Lip Liner and Safe Word. I finally used that up. I got this at a Marshall's or TJ Maxx for really inexpensive, and it was just a beautiful nude. And yeah, it's completely gone. You could just see a little bit right there that I was able to kind of bring out, but not really. Really, really nice. I really like that. And then this is the Maracuja Juicy Lip from Tarte in the color Rose. And there it is there. You can see there's a little bit of product right there, but I can't get it out. And so yeah, that's that. I really did like that. I would repurchase. Those are really hydrating. Feels great on the lips. Now, feminine washes. You guys know I constantly buy and love those. This was the Sure Scents Amber Woods Crystal Beads Air Freshener. I've already repurchased that. I love those. I think they work just as great as the others. These are two my husband's. Maybe my son used one and my husband, or maybe he used both. I don't know. But these are the Lever 2000 Men's Musky Cedar Body Wash. He really enjoyed them. I've already put the backups on those. This is the Garnier Whole Blends Single Use Rinse Out Hair Mask. I got these at the Dollar Tree, 2 in a pack, and me and my daughter used both of those up. We did enjoy them. And then oops, I forgot this. This is not a Dollar Tree item, but this is my NYX lip liner. And there it is there. It's pretty much gone. There's nothing, it won't sharpen anymore. So there's that. And then this was my husband's Dove Men's Face Cream. We've already repurchased. He really loves this, and you get it at the Dollar Tree for $1. And it doesn't seem like a lot, but this thing lasts a very long time. This one was the first one I bought him probably a couple years ago. He finally finished that, and now he's on to his next one. This is my husband's Noxzema Classic Clean Eucalyptus Face Cleanser. We got this from the Dollar Tree as well, and he finally used that up. And then the last items are toothpaste that we used up, and these are ones we get at the Dollar Tree all the time. You guys know we love these. We repurchase them constantly. I get backups all the time, so there's that. And then I found this one at the Dollar Tree some time back. This is a Colgate Zero. It has zero artificial flavors, sweeteners, preservatives, colors. It's clear right there. This had a very unique, odd taste. When it said zero, I just thought that it like helped with the whitening. I didn't know that it was going to have like all that, but it had a really not good taste, and so I would not repurchase it, but we did finish it all up and use it up. So guys, that is everything that we used up for September and October 2021. I hope that you guys enjoyed this empties and / little review video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do enjoy Empties videos and you enjoy seeing what others are using, definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It would be so appreciated. And if you're not subscribed, of course, I would love for you to subscribe and continue to watch. It would be very appreciated. But this is going to complete this video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.